Hello, this is the Tyler Sparks updated bike check. Everything's still the same as last time, except I got a couple of new parts. I got some dual SVS red walls. I love them, they're way better than the ones that I had last time. I got a amber padded seat, but it's not pivotal, it's seat post combo. I got this KMC K5 something. Used to break chains, I don't break chains anymore. Got the same Duo SVS in the back. Running a 10 teeth, something called like a Quando hub. With like my custom little painted spokes. To just a regular rim, nothing fancy. But that's my fit.